Did I charge you? And did I dump off the videos? I'm not sure. Hey, I'm Fish. I got something on me. What does it look like? An extra. No, people, it don't glow. Imagine if it had glow in the dark ink. There's two things I want to talk about, and one is about extra and DJI, or DJI and extra, and the other is about extra. I like that banner, that LED light, that flag that's lit up in LEDs. That's awesome. We'll get to the talk in a few, but let's get going where I'm rolling. I left a little earlier so I could get a little riding in, and sure enough, we got the boats already lit up. Hot bagels! Somebody must have bought it. We're going to be turning and down this block here. And see what it looks like. Nice gated property. Even prettier. I'll go down one more towards the beach and make a stage right. Stucco, no gate, and a beautiful house with a nice brick and gate in the front. These are the houses of Manhattan Beach, and they are lovely indeed. As we're heading into the boardwalk, around the bends, don't worry, I haven't forgotten about the two things I wanted to highlight about. No cruise ships this morning. Nice and breezy and quiet. And we're nearing where we're going to be talking. We have a ride being tested out. Oh man, it loops around and around. Nothing else tested. That's the parachute jump. If you can hear the waves crashing a breezy day. Well, we made it to the halfway point. Let's go get our talk. I think I'm going to have to get on my bike and move. The lady was scared by this guy. Let's get going. We'll pick our talk further away and get on going. I moved further away, but he's just running along. Now he's out of here. Nope, he's back. I'm out of here. Well, here we are. We're in an area where I won't be bothered and I could get that talking going. Well, remember that company that got to GoPro and sued them over live stream? They were the first. I just can't remember the company. It is what it is, man. And down the road, GoPro won the case. So here we are today with DJI. And they're suing Insta360, the person, over two, not one. Two. You got it. Yeah, they stole patents, and it is what it is, man. Does that mean that the camera's going to go off the market? I don't know. Thanks. Thanks for taking it. So you're going to be like cheering because DJI didn't let Insta360 get away with it. And how many years down the road would that be settled? Is it going to stop me from getting an Insta360 Luna Ultra? Because there's no white out there right now. It's just the black model, and there's no Luna at all. What was my other talk about? And that's more important for me than anything else. So, Crystal from customer service came back and said, I'm sorry that the related team confused you. Yeah, you got the newest firmware, 01.00.11 dot something something, and 01.00.06.03 is old. They were confused, and they sent the wrong firmware out. They say, please be a little patient while we work on it. To me, this sounds like they just, dragging out the issue and making it sound like they're working on it. I don't want to say the words incompetent. I don't want to say that the company's bad. I want to say there was a mistake. But don't tell me that the related team fixed the issue and they got new firmware for you and you were confused. 2 issues, 1 more to go. That 3rd issue, we find, doesn't get resolved because the first one, totally forgotten. The second one, you're confused. And the third one, I don't know, baby. I don't know. I'm sorry, people, if I confused you with 2 firmwares. But it's time for me to pack it in, get on out, and make a decision. There's so many cameras out there on the market today. Still, we don't have an extra Muse 2 Pro. But there are people that are showing it. Show and tell don't mean anything because they're only showing and they can't tell a story. Let's get going. The water's pulling me. I'm almost on the sand. What was that movie? Creepshow? Creepshow 2? Without in the ocean? And running towards a beach and the thing just went. Look, now I'm 35 cents in. There's a dime. I'm getting closer and closer to what I want to get. What can I get for 35 cents? A stick of bubble gum? Well, I am down to 24% of battery power. I used probably about 60+% or more. I'm not sure what the camera was on. I don't got much to go on with battery power, but I got a way to go to get on home. It's pretty good with the Ace Pro 2 by Insta360. And did you hear the Ace Pro 3 was shown? I can't wait for that to come out. It just makes me want to put everything on hold and see what the Ace Pro 3 is all about. Here's the funny thing. I got my camera tuned, and if I looked at a GoPro video of the mission compared to the Ace Pro 2, I'm happy and contented with what I got. Oh, what a beautiful sunrise. It rose already, so we are in the golden hour or more. Oh yeah, here we go again. That guy kicked my butt. He was like doing 25 miles per hour. You could hear him go whoosh, whoosh, right by. Well, we're all gonna have a wonderful day going out fishing. And the fish is gonna have a wonderful day. I'm Fish, 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 Fish. Catch you later.